Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the experiments I did. So let's go!
Today I'm going to do an experiment to show that water vapor is present in air. So for this experiment, you will need a glass and some cold water. Fill the glass with cold water. What do you observe after some time? After some time, you can observe droplets of water on the cold outer surface of the glass. This is because the water vapor in the air condenses on the cold outer surface of the glass and thereby forming droplets. Thus, we can say that water vapor is present in air. Thank you. Today, I'm going to do an experiment to show that air is present everywhere and occupies space. So for this experiment, you will need a bucket of water and an empty glass. Take the glass and invert it vertically into the bucket. Is water into the glass? Now slightly tilt the glass. You will observe bubbles of air coming out of the water. In the first case, water did not enter the glass because the glass was full of air and the water had no space to get in. But when we slightly tilted the glass, the air escaped in the form of bubbles and thus giving space for the water to get in. Thus, we can say that air is present everywhere and occupies space. Thank you. Today, I'm going to do an experiment to show that water contains air. So the things needed for this experiment are a vessel, some water, and a gas stove. So slowly pour some water into the vessel. And heat it gently. After some time, you will observe bubbles of air forming at the base of the beaker. After some time, these air bubbles will go into the air and become as water vapor. Thus, we can say that water contains air. Thank you.
Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share to know when I post more videos just like this. Until then, bye.